So I'll visit now the center of Padua. It's 13th of October 2019. Lovely Sunday around there. Lovely Sunday afternoon also here in Padua. Walking towards to the circle sides of Padua. Lovely to walk around here in Padua. I'm going to visit now the Basilica, Sant'Antonio di Padova. So this is the Basilica of Sant'Antonio di Padova. 1 hour ago I was in Venice, roaming around there for 1 hour. I will depart from Greece to this morning 9:15 and then around 11 o'clock in Venezia. Had a walk there, and now I am here in Padua. It's huge.
Ecco, guarda.
I am having a nice walk here in Prato della Valle, Padova. Lovely Sunday here. It's lovely and sunny afternoon here in Padua. It's 13th of October 2019.